In this video I would like to talk about custom generator. So I get asked a lot, what is for my situation the best template here? What should I choose for X and Y? Also, sometimes people want to be very specific about the content to be generated. Now for this we created the custom generator. It's basically the same as the new start chat feature. The only difference is that you can predefine a certain way how the AI will work. So you don't have to type it all the time the same. So for example, here you can see that I created a chat that should write me an X post. Then I wanted to have a Q&A, and I wanted to have takeaways. Now, in this situation, I would like to have basically my own digest of information. So I would like to create a custom generator, which are, by the way, here on the left side. So I will call it my personal digest. And here's a predefined system prompt. Now, in this example, I would like to focus on creating really just a tool that gives me a description about what is in the video within just one sentence. Give me the 3 main key points. Generate me maybe an X post with an image where I talk about this video. Okay, so I have written here my system prompt. I want exactly 1 sentence to describe it, then 3 main points that the video makes, and then write a casual X post where I basically say something about this video. So I will give it the tool generate AI image. I don't need the read screenshots, and I can hit create generator. Now if we go to my media again, we are now able to run the custom generator, and you can see that we have the available tools here, and we can also define some special additional context that we think might be relevant for this special video. But we are not interested in that, so we start generation. So it's added here into our list, and if we open it, we can see that it already knows what to do, and it also knows what to write. Okay, here it is as I expected it. In 1 sentence, what this video is about. This video explains the 4 key differences between legitimate educational businesses like Harvard and scam online courses. That's exactly what this short from Alex Hormozi is about. Then the 3 key main points, we got actually 4 because it's like the video is about 4 key differences. That's why it probably showed 4. So screen your students, don't accept everyone, show data, not income promises, give away content for free, sell implementation, and not everyone should graduate. That's a great point, by the way. Now we got the X post. Just watch this breakdown on building legit online courses versus scams. The difference: Harvard rejects people. Scam courses accept anyone with a credit card. If you are building an education business and everyone can join, that's your first red flag. Real education, selective, data-driven, free content, earned endorsements. So this is actually a great tweet. You can also download the image right away here. Now as you can imagine, this takes a lot of chatting away from you. So you will have a workflow that always does exactly what you want, and it generates basically your own content based on your own definition. You don't have to rely on those hard-coded templates anymore. You can use your own generators, and you can, of course, again, generate as many generators as you like. Now, if you are familiar with workflows, you could also automate it even further. So for example, you would be able to create here a workflow where you say personal digest. You would say create workflow. You can click edit here, and then of course we need first a transcript, and second we need our custom content, which is in our case personal digest. And that's it. So if you hit update workflow, you can now, if you start a new upload, so for example we select here, and now we can select a workflow and say personal digest. Now if you run upload and configure, you can see that it will do exactly our workflow as we defined. So it will upload the media, generate the transcript, and then our custom content. Our video is now loaded, and it is a cinematic AI ads with Nano Banana Pro guide. It also already generated the transcript and started to generate our personal digest content. If we go into it, okay, the image is already created. Let's download it and look at it. Okay, very nice. AI video reference and variations, and how we can generate all these items into a polished video frame. I mean, like this Nano Banana feature is absolutely incredible. Now, as you can see, our custom content was generated again exactly how we wanted. There's one main point. This video is a complete guide on creating cinematic AI-powered advertisements using Google's Nano Banana Pro, walking through the entire workflow. We have the main key points: 4-step creation process, then image quality is everything, and don't over-automate the creative process. There are small information about this. And again, our tweet, just watch this breakdown on creating AI ads. The secret isn't the AI tool, it's the starting image. So without much work, we were able to actually generate a lot of value, because we repurposed an existing video and created a post that teases the content and gives us a lot of freedom of how to create such things. Now, of course, you might know that you can now connect the YouTube channel, like this one from Alex Hormozi directly, and start to create automatic content. For example, in this our case, we could select our personal digest and start creating for each of these items. So whenever a new video comes in from Alex Hormozi, it would run through our generator. So this is a very useful and powerful tool. If you have any questions regarding the custom workflows, if you have any questions regarding custom generators, write me an email or write it in the comments. Thanks for watching.